Hey there. In this AI software affiliate review, I'm going to show you how this brand new AI-powered tool can build done-for-you affiliate sites in under 1 minute, without coding, writing content, or worrying about hosting. Stick around because I'll also walk you through all the upsells, OTOs, so you'll know exactly what you're getting before making a decision. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Kamal from Tested Apps, an experienced SEO and affiliate marketer with over 5 years in the game. I review tools that help you make money online, so if that sounds good, hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss an update. Bonus alert. If you decide to grab AI software affiliate through my link below, I've got some exclusive bonuses waiting for you. Check the description for details. So, what is a AI software affiliate? AI Software Affiliate is a cloud-based AI tool that builds fully functional, high-paying affiliate sites for you. It creates content, adds images, inserts affiliate links, and even hosts the site for you, so you don't need to pay for hosting or domains. But the real magic? It focuses on high-ticket software products that pay $100 plus per sale. Instead of struggling with low commissions, this lets you earn bigger payouts with less effort. No coding, no writing, no designing. Just log in, enter a name, and let AI handle the rest. How it works. It's super simple and takes just 3 easy steps. Step 1. Log into the AI Software Affiliate app. Step 2. Give your site a name. Step 3. Let the AI build everything for you. Content, affiliate links, banners, and images. Done. Everything is automated so you can start earning commissions fast. Let's check out a quick demo so you can see it in action.
How would you like to be able to create a done-for-you affiliate site in the high-paying software niche while AI does absolutely everything for you? All you simply need to do is log into our software, give your site a name, and simply click one button and have AI create your entire site for you. Because that's exactly what you can do with the new AI software affiliate. What the software will do is build you your very own done-for-you commission-generating software affiliate site. And it does absolutely everything 100% done for you. Again, all you need to do is simply choose a name for your site and let the software generate your site for you. The software will immediately go out and use AI to write all the articles for you. It'll generate images and insert those into all of your articles, and it'll set up the entire site for you with no work on your part. And in literally just a matter of seconds, you have a completely done for you affiliate site ready to go promoting high-paying software affiliate products. The site will be completely set up for you and ready to finally start generating some affiliate commissions for you. Now, the great thing about the software, it is completely beginner friendly. Literally all you need to do is give your site a name and the software will take care of the rest. It's also completely hosted for you, so you don't need to go out, buy a hosting account, figure out how to set it up. You don't have to buy a domain name. Everything is completely done for you right inside the cloud platform. And again, AI does all of the manual work for you, so you don't have to mess around with any of it. Now, you might be wondering, why should I promote software products? Well, software products have commissions as high as $100 and more. So instead of promoting a $17 product or promoting Amazon products where you get 2 to 4% commission, software products pay some of the highest commissions in the industry, and even better than those high rates, many of them also pay recurring commissions. So you make a sale once and you get paid over and over and over. And the AI software affiliate tool makes it as easy as possible because it is going to choose the products for you. It is going to create your content for you. It is going to create all your images for you. It's going to set up the entire site, and absolutely everything is done for you. It is one of the easiest ways I know possible to get your affiliate site up and ready to start earning you commissions. And in fact, you can earn your first commission in the next 15 days. That is how powerful the software is. Now again, with the software, everything is 100% done for you, and we provide full training. So even if you've never built a website before or never promoted an affiliate product before, Don't worry, we have full training. It is completely beginner friendly. So again, if you've been struggling to get your site up, if you've been struggling to find products to promote, if you've been struggling to create a single affiliate commission, then go ahead and grab your copy of AI Software Affiliate. Again, the software is going to allow you to build a complete commission generating site in the high paying software market, completely done for you. After you purchase, all you'll simply need to do is log into our cloud platform, give your site a name, and let the software do absolutely everything for you. In just a matter of seconds, you'll be ready to start earning some affiliate commissions. So again, if you've been struggling with affiliate marketing, take the shortcut, get the AI Software Affiliate site, and again, let AI do everything for you. So go ahead, grab your copy today, and you'll have your site up in a matter of minutes from now.
Now let's talk pricing and upgrades. The front-end product starts at just $17 to $27, but you'll see some upsells, OTOs, after your purchase. OTO 1. AI Software Affiliate PRO, $37. Unlocks extra features and customization. OTO 2. AI Software Affiliate Unlimited, $47. Remove all restrictions and create unlimited sites. OTO 3. AI Software Affiliate DFY $97. Get a fully set up site ready to go, hands-free. OTO 4. AI Software Affiliate Resellers, $97. Sell AI Software Affiliate as your own product and keep 100% of the profits. My recommendation: if you're serious, at least consider the Pro and Unlimited upgrades for more flexibility. What I like: beginner-friendly. No experience needed. AI-powered automation. No writing, coding, or designing. No hosting or domain required. Saves dollars. Focuses on high-ticket commissions. More money per sale. What could be better? Traffic isn't included. You still need to drive visitors, but SEO can help. DFY upgrade is pricey. Worth it if you want a 100% hands-off setup. So, is AI Software Affiliate worth it? If you're a beginner struggling with setting up an affiliate site, or just want an easy, done-for-you system, then yes, it's worth checking out. For just $17 to $27, you get an AI-powered system that builds high-ticket affiliate sites on autopilot. Plus, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you've got nothing to lose. Don't forget, grab AI Software Affiliate using my link below, and you'll also get my exclusive bonuses. Thanks for watching my AI Software Affiliate review. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and let me know in the comments, would you try this? Subscribe for more honest reviews and money-making tips, and I'll see you in the next video.